بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
إذا السماء انفطرت.
When the heaven is split asunder.
وإذا الكواكب انتثرت.
When the stars are scattered.
وإذا البحار فجرت.
When the seas are made to burst forth.
وإذا القبور بعثرت.
And when graves are laid open.
علمت نفس ما قدمت وأخرت.
Everyone shall know all his deeds, both the earlier and the later.
يا أيها الإنسان ما غرك بربك الكريم.
O man, what has deceived you about your generous Lord?
الذي خلقك فسواك فعدلك.
Who created you, shaped you, and made you well proportioned.
في أي صورة ما شاء ركبك.
And set you in whatever form he pleased.
كلا بل تكذبون بالدين.
No, indeed, the fact is that you deny the reckoning, declaring it a lie.
وَإِنَّ عَلَيْكُمْ لَحَافِظِينَ.
You do so the while there are watchers over you.
كِرَامًا كَاتِبِينَ.
Noble scribes.
يَعْلَمُونَ مَا تَفْعَلُونَ.
Who know what you do.
إِنَّ الْأَبْرَارَ لَفِي نَعِيمٍ.
Surely the virtuous shall be in bliss.
وَإِنَّ الْفُجَّارَ لَفِي جَحِيمٍ.
And the wicked shall be in the blazing fire.
يَصْلَوْنَهَا يَوْمَ الدِّينِ.
They shall enter it on the day of recompense.
وَمَا هُمْ عَنْهَا بِغَائِبِينَ.
And then shall never come out of it.
وَمَا أَدْرَاكَ مَا يَوْمُ الدِّينِ.
What do you know what the day of recompense is?
ثُمَّ مَا أَدْرَاكَ مَا يَوْمُ الدِّينِ.
Again, what do you know what the day of recompense is?
يَوْمَ لَا تَمْلِكُ نَفْسٌ لِنَفْسٍ شَيْئًا وَالْأَمْرُ يَوْمَئِذٍ لِلَّهِ.
It is the day when no one shall have the power to do anything for another, and all command shall be Allah's.